nangu Jefta. Ngifuna ukumbeka nje kaludlana ukuthi uNkulunkulu uma ekudala ukudale with a purpose. Usually siyayisibheke thina i-circumstance ozalwa kuyo, sibheke isimo ozalelwa kuso, bese si-write off based on that. Nangu Jefta ukhula akazikhethelanga lempilo, kodwa kuthe kwenzeka unina oyiprostitute ekhulelwa, uyise wathi mlethene ekhaya. Uyise wazikhulisela yena ngendlela eqotho engahambisani nendlela unina kade ephila ngayo. Kodwa kuthi mase kufika isikhathi lapho uyise engasekho, amadodana athi hamba wena kusiwala. Phela wena umama wakho akafanele ukuthi angangena kwi-community. Circumstances azalwa kuwo uJefta. So bamxoshela ngaphandle komuzi. Lithi iBhayibheli wafika wamelot eTop wahlala khona. Now ngendlela kade ngayo, ngoba uNkulunkulu mayecreate ngepurpose uyakunika nezinto abantu abazozilangazelela kuwe. uNkulunkulu ucreate with a purpose. Uzithole mawuzibheka wena uzidoubt uthi Moses mayekhuluma hayi uNkulunkulu mina phela uyazi ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma no Pharaoh. uNkulunkulu ungawari uAaron ngimbekile. uAaron akanawo amandla wakho. uAaron akayiphethanga induku yakho. uAaron akasibonanga isihlahla sivutha, mara une talent lokukhuluma. So ungawari, I'll get you there. Wena bese utshela uAaron abatshele. Because uNkulunkulu akakulahli. Inhloso yakhe ayipheli empilweni yakho. So uJefta goes on, bamxoshile, uhlala eTop, ulandelwe yigebengu zonke because bezazi ukuthi mawunoJefta usithelekile. You are well protected. Ebengasi isigebengu kodwa ebenamandla. Because uNkulunkulu noma kungenzakalana empilweni yakho ikhona ipurpose uNkulunkulu akudalele yona, and for that purpose uNkulunkulu uzokuvulela ama-channels ukuze uyoyisebenzisa. uJefta ehleli lahle likhona nalabo abakhusele, kufika isikhathi lapho empilweni yakhe kuhlaselwa uIsrael, uhlaselwa ama-Amori. Mawefika kuye beza kuJefta bakhumbula amandla wakhe. All of a sudden loya muntu abamxoshe ngoba disgrace, loya muntu abamxoshe ngoba engaqualify, loya muntu abamxoshe ngoba engamithi standard, loya muntu bathi ngesilungu bamdiscardile. All of a sudden uba important makumele kuyoliwa, because uNkulunkulu umnikile italent lokuthi ungathuswa isimo samanje bazokudinga. Ngikhuluma nabo baba who felt ukuthi ba useless when they were discarded. Ngikhuluma nabo baba who felt ukuthi mase kuhlukenwe kwaphela awusena use. uNkulunkulu has a purpose for your life baba. uNkulunkulu has a purpose ukuthi wena ube nehlangothi ozolidlala empilweni yomntanakho. So after they come to him, but sicela uzosinceda ukulwa, and then sizokhomelisa, sizokunika iprize ngokuthi ube yileader yethu. Now from a peasant to a leader, the same people uzobona ukuthi siphila life yobu hypocrite. The same people abangakufuni mara mase bebona ukuthi banotho abalithola kuwe, they are now willing ukukubeka phezulu balandele direction yakho. Bebengamfuni endlini mara manje akasekho endlini, seke kwiparliament yabo. Sorry. uJoseph akithi naye kwakunjalo. Babengamfuna abafowabo mara bamangele mase kumele bawucela kuye, beyokhothama, beyofuna ukudla kuye, ngoba uNkulunkulu unjalo uzokuphakamisa at the time that you need to be. Akubeke esihlalweni lapho labantu ababenganandaba nawe bazobuya bakhothame kuwe. We have a God who restores impilo yakho. We have a God who restores dignity yakho. Sinonkulunkulu okubuyisela ezingeni lakho njengobaba. Khona bobaba bathi hayi angikwazi ukuba ubaba ngoba ngisebenzi. It's not the job. It's your willingness to be used by God. Because mawuvuma uNkulunkulu akusebenzise, awudingi ukuthi uvuke uyothi basi. Nkosi yami. Ujafta remembers something. Uthi angikwazi ukuyolwa because kusho nina. Kumele ngiyolwa ngoba kusho uNkulunkulu. Ngicela ukuyoconsulta. Uma uNkulunkulu enginika ama-amore ezandleni zami, then nina nizokwenza lokho enikuthembisile. Mara engimethemba kakhulu yilo ongikhokhelayo. He knew ukuthi i-victory ayivele emuntwini, ivela kuNkulunkulu. Ngikhuluma nabo baba namhlanje into saying baba la ukhona wazi ukuthi impumelelo yakho ayivele emuntwini. It cannot be determined by umuntu, ivela kuNkulunkulu. Ungaluzi sight kaNkulunkulu because of his circumstance ozithola kuyo. It's a temporary situation. Ngicela nje ukuqhubeka ngithi uma uJafta ezithola esesimeni sokuthi kumele ayolwa, akazange azicabangele yena yedwa. Wakhumbula ukuthi uma silwa sinqoba, that means kuseyiveka mina nabantu abangilandelayo. Sikholwa abantu abanezinto kodwa bengasifuni because bathi si different. Kodwa ngoba uNkulunkulu usinikile amandla masiyowasebenzisa. Ikhona lento baba oyiphiwe eyigift engeke ireplacewe noma ubani. So don't regard yourself as useless. Don't regard yourself as unworthy just because in a temporary situation. Ikhona lento irreplaceable ngawe. And ngoba uNkulunkulu umethemba uzokwazi ukukusebenzisa. God can use you. Mhlawumbe wena uNkulunkulu ufuna ukukusebenzisela uku-encourage omunye ubaba ozodlula kwisimo ongene kuso. Wena soke kunika indlela yokusurvive bese uNkulunkulu athi ngitshele uthi uJesu mayekhuluma kuPeter uthi uSathane ukucelile ukuthi akuhlwithe mara mawubuya cela uqinisa abafowenu. Ukuhlwithwa kwakho it's a must. Because mawubuya ngoba ngikukhulekela uzobuya, mawubuya uqinisa abafowenu. Them mabengabathatha ngeke basabuya. Mara makubuye wena uzokwazi ukubapha amandla. Nawe baba ubekiwe for that purpose. Udlule esimeni because God wants to use you for something different. Methemba uJehova. Methemba uJehova. Ngiyandiza nalokho. Ujafta trusted God in all that he did. Imagine isimo akuso uxoshelwa ngaphandle komuzi because of disgrace onayo or oyiyo kubantu ngendlela abantu abakuperceive ngayo. Mara thereafter uJafta amethemba uNkulunkulu kuleso simo. Ngikhuluma nabo baba namhlanje ukuthi unganyakazi baba esimene okuso just because of a temporary situation. Qina ngoba uNkulunkulu wakho uyakubona. uJafta umthembe uNkulunkulu ehlala ezweni ekungasiyela kubo, ehlala nabantu ekungasiya abakubo, abamthembele amandla wakhe, but he never moved away from God. Nawe baba bambelela. Bambelela. Ngikhuluma namhlanje mhlawumbe angikhulumi kuphela nabo baba. Thembise ukuma Stella namhlanje angazi kwenzakalani. Angikhulumi kuphela nabo baba. Nawe uNkulunkulu angakusebenzisa. Sobuya kulabo baba. Mara nawe mntanami uNkulunkulu angakusebenzisa. Awukwazi ukuzibheka ngesimo odlula kuso. Awukwazi ukuzibheka ngeproblem obhekene nayo bese ubona ngazi ukuthi wena you are a failure. I-failure it's when you regard yourself as one. Ma wena uzitshela ukuthi ngiyi-failure akekho umuntu ongakushintsha. Mara mangabe i-failure yi-situation, that means uyakwazi ukuyishintsha, uyakwazi ukufunda kuyo, uyakwazi ukuyi-avoid. God can still use you. God can still use you. Athi umuntu mosmina ngafeyila ngaphinda grade 12 kathathu mara ngathi mase ngimphasa ngahamba ngayevarsity, then God will be able to use you kumuntu othi mina ngifeyilile ngcono ngizibulale. Athi uNkulunkulu hamba umtshela ukuthi kuyaphaseka. God can still use you. Mhlawumbe ngikhuluma nomuntu othi the topic is irrelevant for me because mina ngisesimeni sokuthi I've divorced and lost. Sihlukanisile ebesikuphethe ngaphelelwa amandla. I'm standing here today to say uma umethemba uNkulunkulu, God can still use you. Umama ubaba i-divorces affecta sonke, kodwa God can still use you. Because kwisimo odlula kuso kukhona abantu abathi mabedlula kuso kuphele konke lonke ithemba. God comes to you and says hamba uyokhuluma naloya muntu who's going to go through a divorce, umphamandla, because uyadinga ukuthi umphakamise. The experience uNkulunkulu akudlulisa kuyo is for a purpose of encouraging another. The problem odlula kuyo uNkulunkulu ukudlulisa kuyo ukuze mawungale ngaphesheya kube nabantu ozobaqinisa. Lesimo uNkulunkulu akuthwele kuso ungahlukani noNkulunkulu ngoba ubona leso simo, because ngale kwaleso simo kukhona ivictory for you, kukhona irestoration yakho, mara kukhona abantu abazokubona as a role model. But mangabe edlule kulesimo kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona. Abantu abanenkinga kakhulu abantu bebusiness bathi I have failed because my business is no longer thriving. Ngima namhlanje ngithi noma sekunjalo God can still use you. God can still use you to plan better. Number 2, God can still use you to start afresh. uNkulunkulu uyasinika iopportunity yokuthi kuphinda ubuyele uyokwenza lokhu manje mara ungasahambi wedwa njengoJafta uhambe naye. God can still use you to encourage somebody okuleso simo esifana nesakho abhekene nalo business bese uNkulunkulu ambonisa ubukhulu bakhe namandla wakhe in that situation. This time awusahambi wedwa, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuthi ayifailise ibusiness yakho so that you break free from toxic partners. Because njengoba uqhuba le business oyenzayo awukho aware ukuthi labantu ohlanganyele nabo ocabange ukuthi i-co-op yenze nabo is necessary. uNkulunkulu akayidingi. He wants you alone. I hope bayangizwa abantu bama-business. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukukushintsha into obowuyenza kwenzise something different, i-thrive like no other. Baze bakumangalela ukuthi kanti uphumelela kanjani kuloku, kanti ukuthi uNkulunkulu uhamba nawe. Lithi iBhayibheli esilifundayo uma efika umkhwenyana ezoshada intokazi kaJethro yokuqala, uJethro not uJethro njumani na ngizobuya kuye. ngifuna ama-twins lawa ngibalekele sobuya kuwo kodwa ngifuna ukuthi ngithi wathi ubabezala wakhe mayemnika izilwane athi umnika irashini yakhe, wamnika izilwane ezingazali, wamnika izilwane ezingeke ziqhubeke, wamnika izilwane ezingeke imbuzi zakhe bezingeke zize zizale on their own. Mara ngoba yena engasuye wathi Jehova nake nginikiwe ubabezala wami, ngicela wena bese uyangandisela kona. Uma ngele naye makuphuma iproduct angenayo yena endlini, because beke ngasazenzeli, bekenzelwa ngumnikazi wezilwane, wathi zithuthukise wena, thatha lemfuyo Jehova uyiphinda phinde. And God can do that. Kodwa inkinga yethu uNkulunkulu asimethembi. Siyakhuluma ngaye, siyamkhonza, mara simethembi. Cela ukubuyela kubobaba ngizokwazi ukusuka kule ndawo kuzoze ngikhohlwe abobaba ama celebrity wanamhlanje. Mhlambe ngikhuluma nawe uthi I've been an absent father and therefore I don't matter in the life of my children. For whatever reason. Ngifuna ukukutshela nawe namhlanje ukuthi God can use you. It's either he can repair your relationship or he can use you to repair our relationship wabanye. Because God does that. He can use you to encourage other fathers about not losing the opportunity. Ngesinye isikhathi uyayenza uyadlula esimeni sokuba ubaba ufike lapho uhlukana khona nomama omntwana for whatever reason. We are not here ukuzofunisa uzathu ukuthi nahlukaniswa yini. Mara ekuhlukaneni kwakho after 2-3 months uhleli wedwa urealize ukuthi mara lento engihlukanise lapha idom. Lento engihlukanise lapha yana beyingadingi ukuthi ngize ngibe kulesimo engikuso. You are able to go to a young man who's saying, mina sengiyayehla lenqola, akusakhonakala uthi hayi boy, mistake oyenza manje izokushaya in the future. I am a living testimony of that. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukukusebenzisa. Ukuze uzobona ukuthi le decision ofuna ukuyithatha it's not worth separating for, because maniqeda ukuhlukana ozosafara uwe than the woman. Because yena uzothola indla, thola abantwana, thola i-payment, wena on the other side uzophenduka i-ATM. Bese uhlula ukondla abantwana bakho, uhlule ukubathanda, uvela ube umshini okhiciza imali njalo mabe phone abafuna mali. You've lost the relationship nomntwana over an issue obungayisolve. God can still use you. I'd like to also khumbuza bomama in that same spirit. Ukuthi sometimes sina absentee father nje benzwe yithi njengabomama. Just nje reminder ncane ethi men cannot stand shouting. Abo baba abakhona ukubekezelela ukuthethiswa. Khuluma, correcta, bonisa, kodwa ungathethisi. Ma umshauta umuntu wesilisa uvela shut it down. Uyokhuluma wedwa. That is why mawuqeda ukushouta, maniqeda ukukhuluma ngalendlela wena othi cabanga ukuthi nikhulumile ngayo, mawusuka wenza the very same thing, because by the time you started shouting kuvele kwehla ikhethini kwathula kwathi du. Kodwa ngabe umbonisile iphutha bekezosukuma lens alungise. Mangabe sixoxa masixoxe issue singaxoxa umuntu. But there is no way ungashouta. When you do that kuvele kuthi tsu. I-advice nje bomama. Mhlambe wena uthi mangifrustrated ngenzeni, hamba uyophuza amanzi. Bese uyabuya uzokhuluma naye, mara ungamshouti. Men will go silent when the conversation is confrontational. Ubaba uyakwazi ukuthula, nixoxa nobabili, mayirealize ukuthi le akusiyingxoxo yi-attack. If the conversation is confrontational uvela thule. Mawubona ngasa-respondi wazi ukuthi sekefika ezingeni lapho sekekubona um-attacker than discuss. Ingakho ngithi discuss the issue, not the person. I-advice nje bomama ningayithatha ningayiyeka iSunday. Men will always be nonchalant when all you do is see wrong and point fingers. Isilungu lesengisibhalela bengijabulile mangisibhala sesiyabaleka. Uma ubaba njalo manizoxoxa into oyibonayo yiphutha. Njalo manizoxoxa akusenanto enhle ayenzayo, akusenanto enhle ake ayenza, akusenanto enhle ayiyo. Mama gama wasebenzisayo awasenanhlonipho uzombona ethula. I-advice nje bomama. I-advice nje. Mhlawumbe uzokunceda nawe ukuthi oh that's why mosuthulile. It's because of kushuthi soweqile. And he will not correct you. uzovela athule, omunye uzosukuma ahambe akushiya ukhuluma. I-advice nje. Mara bobaba ba-precious, I'm not saying ninga address ama-issues, I'm not saying ninga correct isimo, I'm not saying ningakhuza umntwana, I'm not saying ningakhuzani, kodwa realize kukhona amagama athile ongakwazi ukumbiza ngawo. Akakwazi ubaba wakwakho ukuthi ajabulele ukupraise make sesontweni kuphela, kukhona abantu abambiza ngenhlonipho ngoba ekhaya akasayitholi. There's something wrong with us. Bomama, i-advice nje. You can't have ubaba abe ne safe space enkonzweni angabi ne safe space ekhaya. Ikhona leya glory emntwini ethi mayechayisa emsebenzini athi ngathi ngaye ekhaya ngifike ngikhulule le impahla zomsebenzi ngikhululeke ngibe sekhaya. We miss that emakhaya wethu. And wena mawuqala ukukhuluma ngalo ndlela bathi hayi udlisiwe kanti it's my safe space. And sikhanselwa indlela wena ongiphatha ngayo. So bona ngithatha ama overtime akusukuthi siswele imali, ngibaleka wena nezinto ozikhulumayo. I-advice nje bazali. Ningaxabani nami seningasangithengela ikhekhe masiphuma. Kunekhekhe necoffee elingenagama. So ngilithembile. You can't turn your home into a war zone. Bese expect ubaba ukuthi ahlale just because uyiqhawe. Akasiyiqhawe lokulwa nawe, uyiqhawe lokulwela wena. Angeke avume kwenzeka ukuthile kuwe, mara mangabe wena umenza ukuthile akasazi ukuthi abalekelephi. I'm standing at the door ngiprotectana nawe ukuthi umhlaba ungakushayi ngabhubhizi uyangigwaza emqolo. Then there's no need for me to be here. Ngiyasukuma ngihambe. Ngifuna ukuthi mangiyichaza futhi ngithi fathers are not immune to making mistakes. Akusho ukuthi ngoba bewobaba amaphutha abawenzi. Akusho ukuthi ngoba bewobaba aba holier than thou. Mara emaphutheni wabo correct iphutha, point out the mistake, ungamehlisi idignity yakhe. Into mayikuphathe kabi mara ingakunyanyisa. I'm sure ngiwazi umehluko. Ngiphinde ngesizulu. Awukwazi ukuthi kubaba makenza iphutha bese uthi into ethile iyanginyanyisa. Hayi mama, stop. Ithi into ethile ayingiphathi kahle. Noma ungathukuthela kangakanani, ungamehlisi ezingeni lakhe lokuba ubaba. Desubaba kuleso simo kuso so ukhathazekile. Angifuni ukuthi sithi kuthiwa emndeni kuthiwe obaba mabahlale ngenkani kubheda. Lungisa isimo ukhumbula abantwana bakho mara ungahlaleli abantwana bakho. Lungisa isimo ukhumbula ukuthi kubo abasiboni ngalendlela wena osibheke ngayo. Talk to your children, explain what you are going through, explain to them isimo mangabe sishintsha, but ungabashiyi in the dark, because when you leave a vacuum umhlaba uzoyivala. That is why mawumukele ama shows akhuluma ngobaba ongekho ekhaya abokhumbula ekhaya umntwana khona mayehlala first instance ehlala nobabakhe, the only thing afuna ukuyazi wamshiyelana umama, because it was never explained. Ungavumi baba isimo wadlula kuso wena senhlupheko, inhlupheko yakhona iwela abantwana bakho. Lokho akusho ukuthi ungabafundisi ukuphila, kodwa ungavumi inhlupheko owadlula kuyo iwele phezulu kwabantwana bakho. You see, some of us sihamba naleya pain yokuthi angikhuliswanga ubaba wami, so nomntwana wami uzosurvive without me. That's not necessary. Cure the pain bese wena wenzela abantwana bakho better than your parents did for you. Baba umele iqiniso ukuze abantwana bakho bafunde kuwe. Akwenzeki ukuthi umntana akhe abe ne role model yomuntu ongaphandle ubaba ekhona. Kodwa mayengakurecognize ukuthi kune benefit kuwe, uzohamba yo choose a role model ngaphandle. Equip your children with survival skills, like the use of money. Umntwana uyamnika imali, umyeke la budget, ashayeke awe, mteach how to save, mteach how to use money wisely, mteach how to handle the impilo, mteach how to expect izinto empilweni njengobaba wakhe. Ungavumi ukuba i-ATM njalo mayithi ngwe thatha i-airtime thatha, unedatha endlini ukufuna idatha efonini, hayi thatha mntana, no. Makufike la uthi whoa, this is how we survive through life. Umntwana wakho makazi ukuthi mawunemali uzomnika, mawungenayo awunayo and awumkhohlisi. Thina sivume ukuba ama-ATM so much that umntwana as long as ethi ngifuna into ethile nento okwaziyo ukuthi ayina value empilweni yakhe. That's why unetekile Nike, unetekile Mike, unetekile Strike, shoni yangiso. Teach your children how to respond to a bully. Ungamteach ukulwa. Mteach ukuthi akwazi ukustand at their ground. Akwazi ukurespond to a bully, ibully suke kuye. Asiba equip abantwana bethu, that is why they fall victims. Bese sifuna ukuyoblame state, mari state asinamntwana. And umntwana akho needs you ukuthi uba ude after kuye, the source of strength. Umntwana akho ukudinga wena njengomuntu onamandla kuye. So mawufika kuye uthi umuntu mayekubhulisha wenza sona so. Umnika equipa, umnika indlela ye-survival. Sasa bathi no, let one ungamsukeli akabhulisheki because they stand their ground. Teach your children, teach your son how to respect women and not resort to GBV. Abafana bethu angeke bawashaya abafazi babo uma thina sibateacher how to handle women. But unfortunately siqale thina sashayeka. Sishaywa isimo sabona ngazuthi kusho ukuthi I'm not man enough because lo mama kasangifuni. Love was never guaranteed for a lifetime. That's too deep. Teach your children to understand the controlling power of money. Ukuthi in any situation, umuntu onemali uyo controlayo, who calls the shots. So kumele understand ukuthi umuntu onemali uyozomleader kwi-life unless yena baneyakhe imali to stand on their own. If you don't teach them abantwana bethu, yingakho bafalla victim to anybody ophethe imali. Because mayevela umuntu ambonisa imali into angayijwayelanga, ubona ngazuthi this is the good life. That's why abafana beqhosha ngezinto zasemakubo. Athelanda umntana akhe ufuna ukumeshela abemtshela ukuthi yazi ukuthi mina ngumntana kabani. Eish. Yabaleka nalento engisebenza la. Aya. Ngifuna ukuqeda ngabo baba la. Ayikho textbook ye parenting bo baba. Ayikho textbook ye parenting, so akukho umuntu ozothi kuwe awenzi kahle. Isimo sakwakho se understandwa wuwe. Isimo sakwakho singalungiswa wuwe. I cannot stand here and say now use the following 4 tricks ngoba mhlawumbe lama tips engikunika wona kwakho are irrelevant. Khumbula ukuthi umndeni wakho udepende kuwe ukuthi nangu uJafta wethu ozosilwela asikhokhele asibonisa indlela. There's a lot you can learn from a father with principles. One of them is that you need to keep your promises. Ipromise akusukuthi ngiyeza ngolesihlanu. Ipromise ile umsukelayo umtshela ukuthi ngizokuthengela imoto iscooter ngoDecember. Bese kushaya uJanuary ungavelanga nokuvela. Mangabe bomthembisile iscooter se3ville baba, ngikhuluma ngalo bantwana abancanyana, makungasenzeki buya uzomtshela ukuthi mntanami lento bengiyithembile ayiseze ukwenzeka. Nasi isimo esengihlangabezane naso. Make the effort baba, into esibili. Ungathi ngivalelwe isimo therefore angisakwazi ukuyobona umntwana. Make the effort. Number 3, there is always a way. You need to find it. There is always a way. If it means akasafuna ukuthi ngibabona abantwana lo sisi, une family, landi family, uyovula ichannel, there is always a way yokuthi ube irresponsible father. Don't give up. Go back to God and say, Baba, ngifuna ukudlala indima yami njengobaba ebantwaneni bami ngakhela ithuba. Be honest as a father. Number 1. Number 4. Be honest as a father. Makungasenza mawungenamali awunayo. Ungathi awunayo kubo bese laba abanye ubenzela kangconywana. Ungathi awunamali kwabakho abantwana bese laba engase abakho benzela kangconywana. Khumbula ukuthi ubu stepfather akusinto oyifundelayo uvuka ekseni uyi stepfather. Uhlangana nosisi emall nixoxe nizwane kusasa ekseni mawuvuka so uyi stepfather. Number 5, learn to apologize as a father. If you've done something wrong, go back and apologize for the sake of your children, so that babe nama principles ukuthi nami mangenza iphutha I need to say sorry. Don't criticize their mother. Noma umamabo uhlukene naye ngasiphi isimo, ngasiphi isizathu, ungacriticize unina wezingane ebantwaneni. And don't allow them to bad talk their mother to you. Hayazi umama whoa. Iviki lele lam cela singakhulumi ngomama. As enjoying my time. If senihlukene, if ungekahlukani, make sure you spend time with your children. Mangigcineni bobaba. Ngifuna ukuthi ngithi kithina abantwana do not measure uthando ngezinto banika zona noma ungamthengela ama gadgets ayingakhi. Abantwana bameasure uthando ngesikhathi umzali ahlala nabo. Always mawubona ngasuthi uyayikhohlwa leyo, hamba odlala ingoma kaLuther Vandross ethi Dance with My Father. If uyimamela le ngoma iyasho ukuthi mama mayengithuma bengingafuni bese ubaba angibizela kuye angicoache bese athi kimi ngihambe ngiyokwenza lento umama athe ngiyenze. Listen to that song. Bese uyakhumbula ukuthi if ngaspend isikhathi nabantwana bami nebond yethu iba closer. Nebond yethu iba stronger. Nebond yethu iba solid. Because as long as mina ngihlala nabo, ngispend isikhathi nabo, ngidlala nabo, ngiba understanda ngcono, bang understanda ngcono. Sadlula lesa simo sokuthi ubaba mayengena bese bonke umuntu uyasuka edining room. If uzithola kuleso simo, that means go back to the drawing board. Awukwazi ukuthi mawungena wena endlini abantwana basuke bonke sitting room bahambe bayohlala ekamereni nomama. Mawuthi uye ekamereni uyochinja baphume bonke baye ekitchen bayohlala nomama. Something is wrong. Uyadinga ukuthi mawufika ekhaya abantwana bakujabulele ubaba bahlale nawe until a time that you say, hayi bantu bami sukani ke sengifuna ukuxoxa nomkami. Because she needs time too. Akusabantwana kuphela babalulekile. Nomama uyasidinga isikhathi nawe ingane zingekho. If it comes to a push, but to me ice cream lapha ebush. Ngisekugcineni. Ziningi izinto esidlula kuzo bazalwane. Ngifuna ukuthi uthe ubaba sikhiphe nice and short because of i-recognition yabo baba. Ziningi izimo esidlula kuzo. Just for our own benefit as well. Ngase abo baba kuphela. Mara whatever situation you are facing, ngicela ukuthi mawudlula kuso ungamshiyi uNkulunkulu wakho emuva. If it means nime nikhuleke before nikhuluma, so be it. If it means ufaste because uzofuna ukubeka i-idea ethile endaweni ethile uthi mngami masifaste sobabini, so be it. If umntwana ezoya esikolweni uyamteacher ama principles athi mntwanami ngaphandle koNkulunkulu angeke usurvive la uyakhona, masifaste sifastele application, masifaste sifastele acceptance, masifaste sifastele life ozoyiqala evarsity, masifaste sifastele exam yakho. Mase umyeka uzokwazi ukuqhubeka fast on their own because you understand ukuthi ekhaya foundation ithi uqala kuNkulunkulu izinto mawufuna zenzeke. Ziningi izimo abantwana bethu abadlula kuzo, but because abakhulumi nathi njengabazali bagcina betshela umhlaba wonke. We've closed the channel yabo yokuxoxa nathi because mayifuna ukuxoxa nawe njalo busy. Sekuyi benefit yabo baba nabo mama. Make yourself available. Make yourself available for abantwana bakho. Because ekugcineni akusiyabo baba kuphela esikhuluma nabo. Kukhona abomama abadlala irole kaBaba right now ngoba soloko ubaba washona, umama usele yedwa. Abantwana babheke wena nakuzo zonke lezi zinto engizikhulumayo nokukhuzwa nefuture nedirection babheke wena. Mara sikwazi ukuthi sithi Father's Day kuwe umama. Hayi nasibantu uyitholile uqebekezela lapho. Kodwa kwizimo zonke esidlula kuzo bazalwane ngifuna ukuthi namhlanje when all else has failed ukhumbula uJafta ukuthi bamkhumbula ngoba ikhona lento enhle uNkulunkulu amnika yona anayo okuyithalente lakhe nobaba wakho unjalo kukhona lento enhle akwenzela yona ikhona lento enhle yokukuletha emhlabeni khona lento enhle enahlukana la ukhona mawuyicabanga uyamkhumbula namhlanje malingashona ungabambanga ifone wathi yazini baba ngiyakukhumbula. Because the role kaBaba is irreplaceable. The role kaBaba in your life is irreplaceable. Masingavuma umhlaba ukuthi usidunge sikhohle ukuthi ubaba ubaluleke kangakanani. Kule Father's Day ka2026 go back home and say to your father, Baba, I've missed you. Kodwa ungaye emathuneni because that's not scriptural. Mangaba kasekho play the memory. Marunga emathuneni uyothi baba bathe ngitshela ukuthi I miss you angeke akuzwe. That's unscriptural ukuthi sikhulume nabangasekho. Kodwa ubaba umncane ngoba yena usaphila tshela ubaba umncane. Umalume ngoba usaphila tshela umalume. Mara I need that message ukuthi yofika kumuntu owubaba namhlanje and make their day. Uthi yazi bangitshelile esontweni ukuthi siphila nje sinikhohlwe sithuthuka nje emhlabeni sihambe sahamba sanikhohlwa. So we coming to you today to say happy Father's Day. And angikhulumi ngemessage ungamenzeli forwarded message. Ngicela umfonele or umbhaleli SMS ephuma enhlizweni yakho. Ungamthumeleli i-forwarded message because leyo akusingqondo yakho, akusi-feeling yakho, into echazile. Bhale vela kuwe. Ubaba makabe precious. Baba, thina siyabonga ukuba nobaba onjengawe. Osigayidile, wasibonisa indlela. Wasibuyisa la bese siphambuka khona. Wasenzele example ukuthi ubaba uhamba kanjani ngendlela eqotho. Sincede ke nathi baba ukuthi la ubona khona ngathi siyaphambuka, mfana boye. Amadeva angasho lutho baba. Sibuyise. Bese uthi akwenzwa kanje. Unkosikazi akaphathwa ngalendlela. Umntwana akathethiswa in public. Mbizele eceleni bese uyamkhuza. Ukuze azokwazi ukuthi lento ayenza iphutha. Mara ungamhlazi webanganeni bakhe because uzothi esuka lapho wena kuhlaze emhlabeni wonke. Masenizwana i-internet does not forget. Ngifuna ukusuka ngalawo magama. Ukuthi i-internet does not forget. So mawubhala izinto kwi-internet ubhalela ngabazali bakho. Lento ozibhalile azisuki wena mase u-right nabo. Lento ikhulumile ngami ngobaba wakho ayisuki ma wena sesi right mina nawe. So ngiyacela, write about anything else but do not discuss relationship yakho nabazali bakho without them and straight to them. Ngathi inkosi yomusa inganisikelele niphamandla. Happy Father's Day.